Hello, everyone. I am Cristina Osorio, Senior CXC Product Manager for Microsoft Intune. I am excited to introduce you to the concept of Intune Remediations, a powerful feature designed to proactively maintain device health and streamline IT support within your organization. Let's start with the basics. What are Intune Remediations? Remediations are an automated solution that use detection scripts to identify device issues before users even notice them. This means that we can catch and resolve problems early, reducing disruption and keeping your teams productive. There are two types of remediation packages: built in and custom. Built in packages address common IT challenges right out the box. Custom packages allow administrators to tailor solutions for unique or complex scenarios specific to their environment. Once a remediation script detects an issue, it can automatically fix the problem. This automation not only reduces the number of support calls, but also improves overall device health and user satisfaction. By resolving issues before they are escalated, we are able to focus IT resources on more strategic initiatives rather than just repetitive troubleshooting tasks. So the next question is, how do we deploy remediations to specific device groups? This ensures that we have a targeted and efficient remediation action. Monitoring and reporting are also built in, allowing us to track the status of remediation, export script outputs for analysis, and measure effectiveness over time. Another key feature is scheduling. We can configure scripts to run once, hourly, or daily, and choose whether they execute in local time or UTC. This flexibility ensures that remediations occur when devices are online and available, maximizing their impact. And for those urgent one-off issues, Intune also supports on-demand remediations. With the right permission, IT can run targeted scripts on individual devices as needed, provided that the device is connected to the network, of course. In summary, Intune remediations help us detect and resolve issues automatically, reduce support tickets, improve device performance, and ultimately deliver a better experience for everyone in your organization. Hope you find these videos useful, and thank you all for your time.